Arrived the Nintendo Switch! Yay! Unboxing. Unboxing Nintendo Switch. Okay.
Nintendo Switch is very big.
Yeah, why are you putting your hand in front?
Yes, I'm putting my hand. Ooh.
Okay. Alright, let's see what you have here. So, we have this one. Joy-Con wheel pair.
See me?
I thought it's a big one, but it's quite cute and small.
I think it's always big.
Oh, alright. That's cute. See, come, hold it. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Good for kids.
Not like that.
Hmm? Like what? Alright, let's see. Oh, it came with this package. Have this one, remote control of Pokemon.
A Pokemon is this?
Purchase the spare one.
Whoa.
Spare Joy-Con pair. Alright, nice color. Alright, this is cute. Small little ones. Oh, it's not so easy to open. Have to carry it better, I think. Okay, and it goes into this wheel like this. Alright. Alright, so this is how it looks like. So they got the right button, left button here.
This one is the button made
So pressing this button is pressing something inside this.
I think we could do like this.
Yes. Alright. These two buttons is being pressed by these two buttons here outside on the wheel. Oh.
I think might be Pokemon.
Pokemon, yes. This is Pokemon. So we have the Pokemon.
I think must be yellow. I think
So it comes with a Pokemon joystick also. Oh.
Yes. It's very funny. This is the way.
Alright, here you go.
I think made of This is fun.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice color. Yellow color. What color is it? Yellow color. Wow.
Wow, so big.
So nice.
So nice.
Yeah, it's transparent. You can see inside. There is nothing inside.
I think I try it first.
Yeah, you try. All right, come on. Let's put it back now.
It's very nice. What is that?
So let's put this one back and this one put aside. Let's open this big boy here. All right, big boy.
Wow, something.
There is adapter.
Adapter.
Setup.
Level A, level C.
Level ABC. Okay, what is this?
Okay.
Super Smash Bros. Unlimited Nintendo Switch. Super Smash Bros. Unlimited Edition.
It's very
Oh
powerful.
wow. Okay, let's see what's inside. Whoa, there is this console here. That's so cute and small. Very.
Oh, I can take on this.
You can take it home, right?
It's
Gently.
Ooh, what is this?
Okay, what's inside now. It does the same thing. Yeah, careful, be careful. Alright. So this will slide inside here. Alright, like this. There is some arrow here. We need to slide this in. Then you hear a click sound. Leave it to me. You slide the other side also. Oh wow,
I can put it.
that is great.
This is the phone?
Yes.
It's my phone?
No, it's Papa phone.
I'll try it.
Right.
Can I try it?
Alright, be careful. It's very delicate.
This is my delicate one. This is my one. Oh, wow.
So I think there is this button. You have to press it to slide it, I think so. Wait.
This
Okay,
is the...
here is the button on the back side. Slide this out. Press and slide it out.
Yes, button.
Press and slide it out. Alright.
Oh, like that. It's very nice. This is very nice.
Very nice, right? Yeah, it is very nice. Let's put one side. So what else is in the box? There is some manual instructions, warranty card. Wait. And what is this? Okay, this is for...
My one?
Yeah, this is for this remote to fix it
This is
here.
my one. This is my one.
This is Papa one.
Then where's my one?
Yeah, you will also have something, the wheels for the
Wheels
car.
for the car.
Yeah, I just know you'd play with the wheels, right?
Wheels.
Yeah, this one. This is for you.
Thanks.
Oh, nice.
I think
Okay, that's cool. Very handy. Nice grip. Again, same thing. Here is this button to press and release it. And this button to press and release it.
I think must.
Okay, what else we have here? An HDMI cable,
Your cable.
power charging cable with the USB-C port. Oh, unfortunately, it came with this pin. Just hold on a sec. This pin, I have to buy an adapter for this.
And made of what?
Hmm.
What is this?
Oh, they have this one. How many pieces? Oh, 2 pieces. Oh, this is to put inside this one, so that it does not drop off from your hand. Let's see, something else is there. Alright, I think this is the stand for the console.
I think we must put this button.
Oh, that's cute.
This is my one. Which one is that?
It's with a USB-C port in it. You can see not enough light, I think.
I think must be.
Okay, there we go.
Papa.
That's all. And it came with a CD too.
Not CD.
Super Smash Bros. I think it's CD. What is it then?
I'll tell you and open it.
Alright, let's open and see.
Yeah. Let's open and see. I need to see. think it's a CD.
Oh, it's a
It's not.
flash drive.
My mom.
Oh, it's a different way of putting. Oh, it's something different. I never seen something like this before.
I know. What is that?
Hmm?
I think something
Yeah,
different.
something different. Yes. I will check it out tomorrow. All right. That's all for now. The other review will be on after playing it. So what is this? For customer service information. Alright. Not list of games.
I think that's the game.
70 plus fighters, 100 plus stages, new games, mode and more. Thank you. Keep watching and let me know how do you feel the review.